Yo, what's up guys, it's Pyogos here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to talk about Bitcoin guys, because Bitcoin's been surging, right, and I know your alts have been falling, so has been my Neo, and I didn't sell any, right, even though we got back up here, right, it was higher than this one, so I thought we would continue. However, we fell, which is fine, it's because Bitcoin, alright. If we look at the coin market cap, which we will do right now, you can see Bitcoin's 27% up for today, and the rest is pretty much down, alright. Well, BitConnect is up as well, Stratus is up, Qtum is a little bit up, but for the most part you see red. And if you look at against Bitcoin, it's definitely red, alright, because Bitcoin's surging guys. That's what's up. So if we look at Bitcoin itself, if I click on this and we look at markets, we see that Bitfinex is currently at a price of 15,774. Well, BitHump, the Korean exchange, is at 19,740. Alright, that is a major price difference, but I think Bitcoin will be just fine. So let's take a look at what's going on. So this was our previous top right here, and I put the Fibonacci from the top to the bottom in order to get these extensions, and you see we hit those extensions like here, and then what did I say to the people? It would go to 3.618. It did, and then it took a little rest, and then it went further, and now it hits the 4.236. And if we just zoom in a little bit, my final call will be at the 4.618, which is at 16,918. If we hit this level here on Bitfinex, alright, I'm not talking about the Korean one, you will get a different way of looking at it, because you will have a different high, different low, and you will get totally different prices. But Bitfinex, 16,918, so about 17,000. After that, I do expect a dip. Also, the weekend is coming up. You know how the weekends are. We'll most likely experience a dip. Now, where will the dip go? I can see it, honestly, I can see it going back to 12k around there. You see here was a consolidation. Here we only have upwards momentum, right? So I can honestly see it going here. This also coincides with the 34 EMA line. And on top of that, it also coincides, if you just draw a trend line like this, it also gets to about there, right? So yeah, that's just a few of the methods to look at it. If we do go higher than the 4.618, which I doubt, I've not seen this often at all, but the 5.618 is at 19,415, and I had to add this one, alright? Normally I don't have the 5.618 on my Fibonacci extensions. So yeah guys, I think we can hit the 17,000, but there's also a high possibility that we go down tomorrow already. Alright, so let's take a look at the stock RSI here. We are on the 6 hour. Let's make this big. The 6 hour is about to cross bullish again, which means it's going up. Now let's take a look at the 12 hour. Is still up there. It's curling a little bit. 1 day is up there but wants to go down. 3 day is up there but wants to go down. 1 week is up. Alright, up. 1 month is up. So there's a lot of up. So you know, it's looking good guys. Definitely looking good. But you have to keep in mind, when it gets this high on the RSI as well, not just the stock RSI, it's overbought, alright? So if we look at a 3 day, we're way overbought, okay? Do not, like, look at this candle guys, a 3 day candle. Don't be surprised if we get pushed back into here, 12k. I wouldn't even be surprised if at some point we'll hit this trend line again at 7. Or, you know, the more time it will take, it will go up. But yeah, I mean, just don't be surprised at all guys. It could happen. Take some profits if you want to, you know, it's up to you. definitely buy back in. Bitcoin will always keep going up, guys, at least until and I'm calling it right now, until $500,000. Alright, I can see it going to $500,000 within like 3 years or so. Definitely, guys. John McAfee even says 1 million, so who knows, right? But yeah, guys, keep collecting those Bitcoins. And I mean, if you want to do this as well, the charts and stuff, you go to tradingview.com and you check it out. Check out BTC USD, which is the Bitfinex, and then the Bitfinex pair. We can also take a quick look at the Korean one, right? You see KRW from BitHump. No, BitHump's not on here, so I can't look at that. But yeah, I hope they will add BitHump soon, because this is an insane price, right? In my opinion, this is the market leader price. Even though Bitfinex at the moment is market leader, but not by a lot. Look, 12%, 11.06. Yeah, I can see BitHump taking over, but we'll have to see. So Bitfinex still market leader, but BitHump is closing in, and BitHump is a higher price. We see the red candle appearing now on the 6 hour. What happened here? We had a red candle as well, and then it went up afterwards. But wait for this candle to close. If it's red, and if it actually gets, it could definitely get back here, right, guys? Don't be, it's possible, right? 12k, calling it. I'm calling it 12k dip. So if we hide this one for now, so I'm gonna hide that, and I'm going to use a Fibonacci again, this time from the bottom to this top, and you can see that the 0.5 line is at the 10.6k as well, and the 382 is at the 12k. So yeah, we can definitely see something like this manifesting, alright? Either here, like that, or 0.5 line, then like that, or even all the way to the 618, and boom. And there's another possibility, which is the 786. It goes here and then goes. Alright, so we need to have a break. That is what I'm saying. It might not happen directly, but keep in mind the overbought area, alright? Because if you look at the 3-day, we're way overbought, and we cannot continue like that. There will be a dip. Now that dip will be good for all your altcoins, so let's take a look again. All these altcoins here, they will all see a boom, at least the top 20. Alright, now Ripple, I don't know. I always tell you guys, stay out of Ripple, stay out of Stellar Lumens. Alright, I know Stellar Lumens went up, but they are dangerous coins. You want to stay out of them. You can play them, but then really play them for a quick trade, right? And when you are in profit, you better keep putting those stops like very tight, because people hate on those coins, both of them, because Stellar Lumens is a fork from Ripple, and Ripple is a banker's coin, and people don't seem to like it. I don't care about the fundamentals, guys, but if people don't like it, and I try to trade it multiple times, I get stopped out quite often on them. So I simply ignore those two. I don't like being stopped out, alright? So I just ignore them, but that's up to you. And yeah, we might get a little quick FOMO. Like I said, we could get a FOMO, right? Where's the fib? So put this one back up to the 16.9, 17k, and then back down. So that could happen as well. But be prepared for a dip, guys. It could happen right now. It could happen at 20k. So don't immediately sell. But if you wanna take some profits, put a stop. Alright, so my advice, okay, so let's take a look. Alright, let's take a look at just this price. So higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, right? So my advice is very simple. Put your stop, once the 6 hour candle's done, put your stop under the 6 hour candle. And don't sell everything, of course not. But if you want to take some profit, put your stop there and stop out with a little bit of profit. Alright, so that is what I'll have to say about Bitcoin, guys. So yeah, I mean, just take some profit if it hits that. That's what most likely what I will do. I'll put a stop under this candle when it's finished, so in 4 hours 45 minutes, and go from there. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.